Hello, Lakeside parents. Welcome to my virtual classroom. My name is Mrs. Dubois, and I teach 12th grade English. It's called Expository Reading and Writing course. I would like to take you through a brief orientation of my portal, and I want to start off with, you're going to enter through your Canvas for your parent portal. And then if you ever want to find information, all of my things are here under ERWC Mrs. Dubois, and I have my announcements tab, which any new announcements that I might have for students is going to be posted on the announcement page. Anytime I do an assignment for the students, they can find their assignments on the assignment sections, and the due dates would populate there as well for students to be able to view any assignments that are in the portal. And they're basically starting off from the most current down to the most recent on the portal. The grades, so your students' grades, you'll always be able to see that information as well. And then I have my syllabus here. And just kind of talks to you a little bit about the most important thing and the way that you can reach me through email, nicole.ladson-dubois at leusd.k12.ca.us. And it kind of highlights the course description, our objectives for this year's ERWC, how the course is organized, my grading policy, and I'm on points solely. I grade on assignments, projects, participation, tests, quizzes, and essays. And it just kind of gives you some brief information about absences, tardies, due dates, classwork, cheating policy, online class policy and expectations, technology, and of course, all of the course summaries are included in that portion as well. And then the last thing that I wanted to show you was on my home page, all of the information is there that is kind of these links. So if your student needs to access any of the modules, they would just click on the basketball modules. Assignments modules is there as well. Any of the announcements, you can just hit quick link to announcement. And the Zoom live class links for my first period, my third period, my fifth period, and my sixth period are all there active for you. Well, that's it for my virtual orientation of my classroom. Thank you all for joining me today. And again, if you have any questions or concern, please feel free to reach out to me on email. Great. Have a nice day.